In the heart of Roseville, Michigan, where progress meets cleanliness, a name stands out for efficient waste management. Welcome to Motor City Disposal, your go-to source for hassle-free dumpster rentals, designed to simplify your cleanup projects in Roseville. Whether you're decluttering your home, tackling a renovation, or overseeing a construction site, Motor City Disposal has the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our fleet of modern and reliable trucks ensures timely delivery and pickup, making your cleanup process seamless and stress-free. Why choose Motor City Disposal for your dumpster rental in Roseville? Here are the key features that set us apart. We offer a range of dumpster sizes, ensuring we have the perfect fit for projects of any scale. Our 10-yard dumpsters are ideal for smaller projects, while the 20-yard dumpsters can handle your larger waste management needs with ease. Each comes with straightforward pricing, ensuring no hidden fees. We understand that time is of the essence. Motor City Disposal guarantees prompt delivery and pickup, providing you with the flexibility you need for your cleanup project. When it comes to efficient waste management in Roseville, trust the experts at Motor City Disposal. Visit our website at www.motorcitydisposal.com dumpster rental Roseville MI or call 586-842-2750 to secure your dumpster rental today. Here at Motor City Disposal, we are revolutionizing cleanup in Roseville, MI.